Hi everyone, this is Tyler with ORATS, and today we'll be doing a walkthrough of our new, free-to-use Data API Explorer. We'll also look at some of our proprietary calculations available through the API, such as theoretical value and Contango. Our API Explorer has all of our endpoints, and includes current and historical data. You can access our endpoints with the demo token, or you can purchase a 14-day trial token for just $29 using the link above. We'll start with the strikes endpoint, which has all of the typical option chain data as well as some of ORAT's proprietary calculations. One of these, called the theoretical value, is our estimate of the true value of the option based on smoothed volatility calculations. You can use this value to determine if an option is overvalued or undervalued at the current market conditions. In the API Explorer, we can just select the specific fields we want to use. In this example, we'll look at the theoretical value of both the calls and puts, as well as some basic information about the strikes: ticker, trade date, and expiration date. Our data API also supports multiple tickers. This means that you can get the same data from multiple symbols with just one API call. The demo token only works on IBM, so we'll stick with that for now. On the right side of the screen, you can see the GET request has been generated for us. We can submit this to see the JSON output right here in the web browser. You can also download a CSV file of the results. We can continue to edit the data we want to explore by changing our endpoint selection. Let's look at the summaries data, which has over 100 data points. We can search through the fields by typing part of the name or definition. One of our most popular indicators, Contango, measures the short-term contango of at-the-money implied volatilities, not including earnings. This can be used as an entry or exit indicator, and can be helpful in filtering out trades where the future volatility is unfavorable. With over 15 categories of data and hundreds of proprietary calculations, there's so much more to explore in our Data API. Thanks for watching.